Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 cheap codes from Airtel. These days to buy data, no be small thing, no. So that's why I'm here to give you these 5 cheap codes that you're going to be getting or buying data from Airtel. So these are for the Airtel users. Please, your SIM card must be used for a while. That is, you must be using your SIM card, your Airtel SIM card for a while now. If you're new to the Airtel network, please, it's not going to work for you. So if you find this video interesting, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment, and let me show you these 5 cheap Airtel codes that you're going to be getting cheap data from Airtel. Let's go right into it.
For you to get this cheap Airtel data is *312 *61 hash, *312 *61 hash, and then you dial. So these are the different options that you're going to be seeing when you dial this particular code. First one is my offer, the second is data plans, and then the third one you're going to be getting 18 gig for 5,000 naira, and you're going to be getting 10 gigabytes for 3,000 naira, and then 6 gigabytes for 2,500 naira, and the sixth one there you're going to be getting 5 gig for 1,500, and then the seventh one you're going to be getting 1 gig for 500 naira. Okay, let's choose number one. So as you can see, these are smart cash data plans. 10 gig for 3,000, 7 gig for 2,000, 3 gigabytes for 1,000 naira, and 600 MB for 200 naira, 300 MB for 100 naira, and then 150 MB for 50 naira. The second code, which is *312 *2 *1 hash, *312 *2 *1 hash. That's for the second Airtel code. So this particular offer, I will advise you to go with number 5, which is 50 naira for 250 MB, and it's for night browsing. Okay, so if you are cool with browsing in the night, maybe the daytime you're very busy during the daytime and you like browsing in the night, you just go with number 5. Okay, and you're going to be getting 250 MB for 15 naira. Then if you want to activate it again, you can do it up to 200 naira, and that 200 naira you're going to be getting 1 gig. Okay, and this night plans, you're going to be browsing it from 11 p.m. in the night to 6 a.m. in the morning. So if you're cool with this particular offer, you can just go with it. Isn't this beautiful? So the third code for the cheap Airtel data is *312 *2 *8 hash, then you dial. So this one is for 4,000 naira for 15 gigabytes, and then 7,500 for 40 gigabytes. Wow, this is very beautiful. This is so cool, guys. Don't know what you guys are waiting for. Rush this particular cheap data. It will help a lot. Okay, it will help reduce your data cost. The way you buy data, this is very cheap, so that it will reduce the cost, the amount you normally buy your data. Okay, so if you're cool with this particular plan, you can just go with it. All right, so the number 4th Airtel cheap data code is *303 hash, *303 hash, and then you dial. So this particular offer is for you to borrow airtime from Airtel. You can still borrow data from Airtel, and then if you want to repay your credit, you can still use this particular code. So if you don't have money in your account, or you don't have money in your pocket at that particular point in time that you are browsing, and your data got finished, so you can just dial this *303 hash, and then you borrow data immediately. You can go with number 3 to borrow the data, or you can go with number 2 to borrow the airtime. All right, so the number 5 code, which is the last one for you to get cheap Airtel data, is *312 *2 star 6 hash, star 312 star 2 star 6 hash. So these particular ones are for business owners, okay? This is 3 months plus plans. If you want to do 3 months plus plans, you can go with this star 312 star 2 star 6 hash. The first one, you're going to be using 50,000 naira to get 300 gigabytes, and it's going to be lasting for 90 days, which is 3 months, okay? And then the second one is 60,000 naira for you to be getting 350 gigabytes, and it's going to be lasting for 120 days, which is 3 months plus. All right. And the third one is you're going to be using 100,000 naira to get 650 gigabytes, and this particular option you're going to be getting is going to be lasting for 365 days, for a whole year. My goodness, this is so good. If you go with this particular offer, you're going to be doing your internet stuff with ease, okay? No disturbance. You're just going to be browsing with this cheap data from Airtel. This is so good. This is massive and this is wonderful. If I were you business owners, I would just rush this particular offer. Star 312 star 2 star 6 hash is very good, guys. It's very good. Please don't joke with this. Just rush it. So that is his guide for you to get this cheap Airtel data. Anyone you choose to go with, you can go with them. So we have come to the end of today's video. If you find this video valuable, this video interests you, and you got value from this video, please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel so that I'll be dropping more updates on cheap data from all the networks. And so thank you guys for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.